Hi everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to enable autocomplete or intellisense for Java in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So I hope you would have already installed Java JDK and as well added all the Java environmental variable paths before. So currently I'm having here a .java file opened, alright. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to just click on the text over here, alright. You will be having this select language mode. So currently I'm having this automatically detected as Java, and let's suppose say that if you don't have it, you're just going to click here and you will be having Java over here, alright. So you can just select it manually as well if you aren't getting there. And so once you're done with that, so now if I just type some word, alright, let me go with system. You can see I'm not even getting any recommendations, alright. So that's how it is now. So to get the intelligence, you need to go to extensions, alright. You'll be having this icon over here. So just click extensions and you need to search for, so currently I'm having here 0 extensions installed, and you need to search for extension for Java, alright. So here you'll be having the first link, alright. Just click it, extension pack for Java. You can just type it out, alright. So if I just now click it, so here you will be having like 6 extensions. So this basically has IntelliCode, language support, Maven, debugger, test runner, project manager. So it comes as a bundle, this 6 extensions. So you can just click on this whole install, alright. Instead of like installing individual ones, you can just click on this install. So it will take some time to install all the 6 extensions, alright. So here you can see all the extensions are getting installed at once. So here you can see 6 extensions have now been installed. So once you're done installing the extensions, I would recommend you to restart your Visual Studio Code, alright. So I'll just close and open it again. So I have just now restarted my Visual Studio Code, and if I just now go to extensions and installed, I will be having this 6 extensions, alright, Java extensions installed. So now if I just go and type something, let me go and type system. So if I just now type sysout, I'm getting system.out, alright. So this is the autocomplete that I told you. And if I just come to the next line and if I just type scanner, alright, so here you can see I'll be getting these many recommendations now available. So if I just now click it, so here you can see I'm also getting the header file or this package automatically getting imported, alright. I just typed out scanner and I just click the options. So here you can see basically our intellisense is now working perfectly, and let me show you another demo, same demo as well. So if I just type system.out.print, here you can see I'm getting these many options for a print, alright. So this is working perfectly fine. So this is basically how you do it. I hope you have found this video useful. I've also done many other programming videos in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.